Hey guys, welcome to Geo's music channel. Today we're going to see the installation of the Gyprock to the rehearsal room. Hope you all enjoy and remember to subscribe. Now that the ceiling's done, we move on to the walls. As you can see, I'm using some glue to rubberize Sikaflex type product. It stops vibration as well, and using plaster screws into the furring channel so we minimize vibration, and the rubber also helps with sound acoustics. As you can see, we're moving along. There's a few tricky cuts. Measure twice, cut once. As you can see, everything's going well. A few more walls to go, and then I guess we'll be moving on to doing a bit of plaster, but that won't be till next time. So for now, all we'll be doing is just finish off the walls. There's a few little cuts that'll get done off camera, and I'll show you around the room a little using a 16mm Firecheck Gyprock. It's kind of a bit more economical rather than buying the Soundcheck stuff, because I needed 2 layers and that was only 10mm, so I decided to go with the 16mm Firecheck. It's as in denseness, it is as if not denser than the acoustic Soundcheck. So that's where we're at for now, and we'll continue on our journey. always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more on my music channel. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoy, and remember to subscribe. See you all later.